Oh yeah, how to make this. I don't even know what to call it, but it looks pretty epic. Last week I was just fumbling around a little bit and I got this, so let me explain you. First you take speed up footage of anything. In this video I took a road, but you can do it with sideways footage or other kind of footage as well. Then you duplicate it, and in the second layer you put blending mode add. And you just shift it a little bit and then you do it again, so you end up with 3 layers. Then on the bottom layer what you're gonna do is you're gonna make it blue with the photo filter. Then the second layer we're gonna make it green, and then the third layer we will make it red. And then actually we're almost there already. It's so that simple, this effect. Then all we have to do after this, see, it starts to look good already. And now all we need to do after this is we put a little bit of brightness, contrast on it, and then perhaps we add some glow. Let's see how this looks. Yes, starts to look more bright already. Add some glow. And that starts to look crazy. You can do this with any type of footage. It's a very simple effect, but I'm sure some of you can use it. So let me know what you think. And if you have any requests, let me know.